Welcome back to Fly King Drone. Appreciate it if you'd click subscribe and help support the channel. Today I'm actually going to go backwards in time a little bit and show you the unboxing of my MJX Bugs 16 Pro drone. I ordered it from Banggood, which if you don't know, that's shipping all the way from China. When I ordered it, it actually told me it would take at least 4 weeks to come to Tennessee in the United States. But in reality, it actually only took about 2 weeks from the point of order to the point it arrived. It was just in this plastic kind of bag almost. It was taped securely around the box. And so it really the box itself didn't really have any protection there, just that plastic bag and then this white plastic bag that was around it. So no real impact protection. And the box had a little bit of a dent there, at the top, it banged a little bit there at the corner, but it really didn't have any significant damage, no holes through it. It really didn't get beat up too bad in shipment. So this was, again, ordered from Banggood.com. I got the 2 battery option. The price was around $270 at the time. And so pretty happy with how everything, was all together in one piece. It comes with a case. And so obviously that also helped protect it from being banged around or damaged in shipment from China. Obviously, since it made it all the way from their warehouse to my front door in 2 weeks, it must be coming by air freight, so probably a little better conditions or better treatment than if it had been in a large shipping container on a boat for several weeks getting banged around in there. So again, this one was with the spare battery, so it's got the spare battery in there. So one is already on the drone and one spare battery, so you can be charging that while you are flying. It has a controller, and that's the antennas there at the top. You want to have those flat facing, the flat sides, not the long point. You don't want to point the points towards the drone. You actually want the flat sides pointing towards the drones. It's got 2 little handles at the bottom to kind of help you hold on to it. Your iPhone or your Galaxy phone there goes in the front and just gets held in by a little spring clip. I haven't found that to be held on very well. All the shiny parts are protected by glass, little plastic glass covers to help keep the glass from getting scratched, and there were no scratches on any of my viewing panels on the controller. There's a camera guard over the gimbal, and all the propellers are installed already. That yellow sticker there is what's telling you that that is the camera guard. It is a little bit hard to get that camera guard off, not just because of the piece of tape, but the actual clips that are holding it are really tight. And so I'll have a little hack that I'll show you in another video on what I did to this cover that makes it significantly easier to get it off. Now, their protection for the camera wasn't actually placed on there very well. As you see there, it was a little bit off of the lens, and so not really protecting it very well. But no damage to the lens that I can tell based on all the photographs I've taken so far. So then all the arms just extend out. The 2 front feet, as you can see there, are folded up. They'll actually unfold to support the front of the drone when you set it down, just to make sure that it won't hit the gimbal. But there's actually feet on the bottom of the drone too, in about the middle and at the back, that help, again, protect the camera so it doesn't hit the ground. Inside the kit, you get some charging cables and they give you both a standard USB to the USB-C connector, and then they also give you a cable that is USB-C, USB-C for faster charging. And they give you a small Phillips screwdriver for changing the extra blades in case you crash and need to change out the propellers. So you get a set of 4 extra propellers just in case you start damaging things. The manuals, there's both a quick start manual and a full multi-page manual. If you wish to read them before you purchase your drone, you can actually go to the Bugs website and get that. That's at MJXRC.net. And you can actually download the PDF of both the user guide and the quick start guide and read them before you actually purchase the drone. My manuals did have some stickers in them correcting a few mistakes, and I had to make some additional purchases myself. You don't get a memory card when you get the drone, and you also don't get a charger. So while they give you the USB cables, they do not give you a charger. And so the manual calls for a 45 watt up charger. The English isn't always the greatest in the manuals, and so I think what they meant was 45 watts or better. So I'll put links to the memory card and links to the charger that I purchased to charge it up. So far, I've probably charged the batteries at least 5 to 10 times each, and it seems to be charging it up just fine. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing to support the channel. Have a great day.